If our children knew this, they would have much better lives than us. Heck, it's not even too late for you. The word mortgage is 2 syllables. The first syllable is mort, the second is gauge. It's a French word and it's pronounced mortgage. The first syllable, mort, means death, like mortuary. The second syllable, gauge, means pledge. Put together, it means death pledge. It was created by the aristocracy of France in the 1600s to oppress the peasants with a mortgage contract, a death pledge contract. It said to the peasant, you can live in this dwelling on my land and you will work for me until the day that you die. Eventually, the peasants revolted. They had the French Revolution and they invented the guillotine. They then used the guillotine to chop off the heads of the people that created the mortgage, the death pledge. These days we're much less bloodthirsty and we don't really hold the banks to account of what they're doing to us and our children. But the reality is these days, because we live longer, the death pledge now is until the death of our career, until you're 67. At that point, when you stop working, you are no use to the banks anymore. You can't afford to pay the interest on the loan, so therefore the loan ends. The mortgage, the death pledge, is designed to keep you in debt until the day that you retire at age 67. Our kids will probably have the retirement age increased to 70, and the death pledge will keep them in debt until they're 70 as well. The only way out is to make more money, but we're already working more hours than we can afford to work, so you have to find passive income. At time of recording in 2025, the best passive income opportunity on the planet is investing in property in Bali. If you're watching this video and you have a home in Australia and you've had it for more than 2 or 3 years, I can almost guarantee that investing in Bali can generate you at least $1,000 a week of passive income, possibly $2,000, and maybe as much as $3,000 or $4,000 passive income by investing in Bali. If you don't find a way to invest in something that generates passive income, you will be in debt until your late 60s. The mortgage is designed for that to happen. If you invest in Australian property, doing negative gearing, it will continue to have debt on it until you retire, and that will be in your late 60s, early 70s. Passive income is the only way that you're going to give yourself a chance of retiring in your 50s with your debt paid off. Only 5% of Australians achieve that. If you want to stay in the 95, carry on what you're doing. If you want to move into the 5%, find passive income, talk to whoever sent you this video because they thought it might be worth listening to. If you learned something in this last 4 minutes, maybe you'll learn a little bit more in a half-an-hour meeting or a phone call with us. We look forward to speaking to you soon. Thanks for watching.